Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here at Las Vegas Conexpo and I'm here with Dave from Rodradar. Dave, Rodradar, we've heard how exciting your products are, but tell us a little bit about what they do.
Yes, it's a industry standard issue that there's over $100 billion of reported strikes that occur every single year, over 400,000 injuries of operators in this. Rodradar has developed radar technology that's integrated into a bucket. That bucket can work on any brand of machines. It's ground penetrating radar that when you scan the surface, it will detect utilities at different depths. And in the cab, it will actually tell you the depth and the length of where those utilities are.
But there's a difference now, folks, because Rodradar, the system is in here, Dave, but the Xwatch technology that is now come into play is allowing you to combine your technology with 3D collision avoidance from them to not just scan it, but also to then set the levels so those utility strikes, even though they know they're underneath there, we're preventing that again, aren't we? That is a real technology combination here now, isn't it?
That is a game changer for the industry, because what it does, it takes the error out of the operator and it will prevent 100% from that strike occurring, because you can set the level of the bucket now to the target and where it will hydraulically actually stop the digging and prevent that utility strike.
So it's not there for anything else but to support people making sure they're not getting to those levels. And so both technologies scan, you know it's there. Now create the avoidance, don't dig into it. And those big numbers that you talked about at the top end of this conversation, they are gonna come down, folks, with this technology here in America. So, Dave, I've got to talk to another very important person from Xwatch right now, who's going to explain a little bit about how the tech comes together with your tech to make it a safety moment. So I'm joined now by Dan Leedy. Dan, you've been working with Xwatch Solutions and developing them across the industry, from slew and height restriction to 3D collision avoidance. Now we're talking about a big combo with the Rodradar system and the avoidance technology you've developed. How has it all been integrated together and how does it actually practically work in this machine?
It's very simple, Pete. We understand that safety is important to the industry and we wanted to bring this to the forefront. So with the Rodradar bucket, very simply just sends us a signal and we slow and stop according to the depth or the position of the underground services. It's also part of the entire Xwatch suite for height, slew, swing, safety, that this can be updated and added on, and also a standalone system, so they don't need the safety system, they just want the motion cut. It really is a game changer to bring for the smaller machines and the utility machines in the market.
And this is a critical thing, utility strikes, smaller machines like this Cat one we see here. And so what happens when somebody wants to integrate this solution then? What do they have to do?
They just need to contact the local Xwatch dealer or contact Xwatch Direct. It's very simple, it's a very easy upgrade. It takes about a day to put in. Money well spent, as they say.
Absolutely, and when we talk about the big numbers with Dave there, if we can reduce that, that reduces the costs and implications, but the most important thing is it keeps people safe. And that means that the people can go home operating these machines to their families at the end of the day. And that's what safety is all about, isn't it?
That's what it's all about, making it easy for the operator to use and everyone goes home.
Great to meet you here in Las Vegas.
No worries.